Bangalore Literature Festival has begun. The first day was sure a hit with Bollywood actor Farhan Akhtar, director Rakesh Omprakash Mehra and lyricist writer Prasoon Joshi taking center stage. Besides a lot of intellectual talk, the trio spoke about their movie Bhaag Milkha Bhaag, and Farhan also entertained the crowds by singing a song. Take a look.
Celebrity authors, speakers, actors and theatre personalities have descended in Bengaluru to attend the three-day Bangalore Literature Festival beginning Friday. The second edition of the city's flagship literary event witnessed renowned authors engaging audiences with diverse themes. The highlight of today was sure Bollywood superstar Farhan Akhtar, renowned director Rakesh Omprakash Mehra and lyricist writer Prasoon Joshi. The trio who created the classic movie Bhaag Milkha Bhaag were in conversation with Bhavna Somaya about the making of Bhaag Milkha Bhaag and how Indian cinema has finally woken up to biopics.
There were no apprehensions, Bhavna, about doing this part. When Rakesh told me the story, there was something that just clicked, and eventually, whether you're writing, whether you're directing, whether you're acting, no matter what field of endeavor you're in, eventually the thing that you rely most on is your instinct. And that tells you whether it's the right thing to do or not. So if you're going to succeed, you might as well succeed on instinct. If you're going to fail, you have only yourself to blame. It just felt like a story that needed to be told. It was a very powerful story. They've spoken about it. I won't repeat that. But it just felt like a story that was a very powerful story, a story that needed to be told, a story that one would feel proud to be associated with. And like you say, a role of a lifetime, I completely agree. And it's taken somebody's lifetime to create this role, as well. So you understand the gravitas that there is attached to this character. You understand what it is that the director, the writer, the person himself, that's Milkha ji, are trying to convey through this movie. And then when all of that feels like the right thing, then there is no question of what is difficult and what is easy. Everything feels like it's the thing that should be done.
I must share something. We shot the scene in a real location. It was 4.5 feet wide, and what you see in the film around 8 to 10 feet long. It was a backyard of a 4th grade railway worker. And in that, Binod Pradhan managed everything. And it's a lovely scene, and I must, when Prasoon wrote the scene itself, I had tears in my eyes already. And that became the raw material for me to go on to say, let's play it completely real.
You should know that where you say imagination begins, this is purely an imaginative scene. This is not exactly how a reality happened, never happened. This scene never happened. But when you were asking where you call it biopic and where to not call it biopic, this is an example of that you have internalized him so much that even if a scene like this is written, it reflects as if this is how it should have happened and it should go. So I think that's why the reality and fictional somewhere gets mixed, and you are reflecting the truth of somebody's life, and you are creating scenes which, if happened, would happen like this. So what do you call it? Do you call it art, or do you call it a documentary? What is it? You are creating cinema, and in that you have to create such moments.
The conversation between the three legendary Bollywood personalities indeed kept the audience engaged for about an hour. And just when Farhan bid goodbye to the audience, there was a huge roar from the crowd asking the actor cum director to take on his singing shoes. Farhan kept the heart of his fans and sang a song from Rock On.
तुम ये समझोगे शायद मैं पागल हूँ, दिल करता है टीवी टावर पे मैं चढ़ जाऊं, चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं ये सबसे कह दूं.
Well, this sure was a good start for Bangalore Literature Festival that saw several other intellectuals, including Gulzar, on the first day. The festival is all set to cater the audience with an eclectic mix of guests and panels that discuss everything from cinema, fashion, spirituality and more. Nabila for News 9.